Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can improve the quality of your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Firstly, once you're done editing your video and you just want to increase the quality, what you want to do is go into the color tab, which is the third from the right in this sort of toolbar section here, and now you'll arrive at this sort of menu. Firstly, what you want to do is go into the blur option, which is this sort of triangle next to a drop icon, and you want to modify the radius. Normally the radius will be at 0.5. You want to lower that just a bit. If you go overboard, that will unblur it way too much and it'll be way too sharp and it will look a bit ugly. But if you just want to add some more details without sacrificing any quality and making it look a bit messy, you just want to go all the way down to and minimally to 0.4, around 0.45 to 0.44 works well. So let me just keep it at 0.43, somewhere in the middle ground, and that should increase the sharpness. Next, what you want to do is go into the color wheels option, and you want to modify the mid detail sort of slider. You can go all the way from -100 to 100. This will just make the colors pop off more and make them a bit sharper. Again, you don't want to go way too overboard, so let me just fix it somewhere between 50. Between 50 and 80 works well, in my opinion, for most videos, but I'll keep it at 50 just for this tutorial's sake. And now your video quality will be a bit improved. Now, as you can see, this is another tutorial that I did, so this kind of doesn't look that nice or isn't a very good example, but it should be very, very well passable, just like this. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.